Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag Photoshop in just 1 minute. Open Adobe Photoshop and then open your picture inside the Photoshop interface. Next, go to the Edit menu, scroll down to Preferences, and click on Performance. Once the Performance window appears, adjust the memory usage slider based on your system's available RAM. If your computer has a dedicated graphics card, make sure to enable the Use Graphics Processor option for better performance. After that, move your cursor to the history states, cache levels, and cache tile size settings and adjust them according to your editing needs. Now click on the Scratch Disks tab from the left sidebar. Here, check the box for the D drive to set it as your scratch disk. Finally, click the OK button in the top right corner to save all changes. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.